Hello dear students, once again I welcome you all to the online teaching of St. Thomas School. In the previous lecture, we have seen activity 3 and 4. So now let's start with activity 5. Let's read first. This unit is called Exploring Symbols. A symbol is a word, image or object that represents something else, just as Sunlight represented Tagore and your pen name represents you. Symbols are very common in poetry and stories. Tagore used them often. Dear students, we know that this chapter is about exploring symbols. And I told you in the beginning, what is symbol mean? It can be any word like pen name of any writer. It can be any image like firing image for Olympics. Or it can be any object like different political parties have their different object as symbols. Like here, sunlight is a symbol, means sunlight represents Rabindranath Tagore and your pen name represent you. So these kind of symbols are very common. Very often it is used in a poetry and a stories. Here in this poem also, Tagore used different symbols like in the line, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Tagore tells us that reason is a stream. Tagore thinks of reason as if it is a stream. The stream is a symbol for reason. Here, Tagore wants to say about reason. He used symbol of stream. So here stream is a symbol for the reason. He used the word stream for reason. So likewise in this poem, many other lines are also Tagore used as a different symbols. So let's see the poem again. So dear students, here in the poem, the words narrow domestic walls, it symbolizes people's superstitions. The word dreary desert sand, it symbolizes where there is no gain. The word dead habit is used, it symbolizes for old customs and old beliefs. And the word heaven of freedom is used. It represents a place where there is no restriction, where there is a freedom. So here Tagore used different symbols for representing something. So now let's see activity 5 again. Tagore wrote India's national anthem and is very much loved. There are many other symbols of India that are also loved by her people. Consider the national bird, tree, game, fruit, etc. Think about the national emblem or flag. Think about colors or animals that are beloved in India. Dear students, we know that Rabindranath Tagore has written our national anthem Jana Gana Mana, and which is very much loved by we Indians. So in any cultural or political programs, we sing our national anthem. Likewise, many other symbols of India which are loved by we Indians, like our national bird peacock, our national tree, the banyan tree, our national game, hockey, a national fruit, mango, national emblem, the 3 faces of lion, the national flag, the 3-color flag, which is also symbolizes different meaning. The tree color, saffron, white and green, symbolizes something different meaning. A national animal, tiger, national bird, peacock, these all the symbols are very much loved by our Indian people. So dear students, let's see in the box. Here you have to write the list of at least 10 symbols of India. You can write national bird, national tree, national game, national fruit, national emblem, national song, national flower. Any 10 symbols of India you have to write, you have to mention in this box. So now dear students, let's see activity 6. As a class, compare all the lists that were made in activity 5 to make a new list that ranks 5 symbols according to your group's favorite. So dear students, this is a group activity that in your group, which is the favorite symbol and which is the least favorite symbols. Since it is a group activity, class activity, we will go ahead. Remember that a symbol is something that represents or stands for something else. For example, the color green in India's flag does not only mean green, it also stands for fertility. Why does green have this meaning? People will have different answer to this question. Maybe green stands for fertility because it is the color of the plants that come up every spring. The color of fertile land that grows our food. So dear students, here we can see that in our national flag, the color green, it's not only green, but it has a certain meaning. The green color stands for fertility, means it is the color of the plants and vegetation. The green color symbolizes the greenery of spring season. This green color stands for the crops, for our food. So this way, green color having the different meaning. Like we can see in our national flag, three-color flag, that Ashok Chakra stands for the wheel of law. The color saffron stands for, or it symbolizes strength, courage and sacrifice. White color, it symbolizes truth and peace. Green color, it used for, or it symbolizes fertility, growth, faith, prosperity, etc. So like that, different color of a flag stands for something. So dear students, we will conclude this class here. Now it's a homework time. Your homework is, in activity 5, you have to write 10 symbols of India. And in activity 6, you have to write about your favorite symbol of India and what this symbol stands for. Suppose your favorite symbol, national animal, is a tiger, and tiger, it stands for power, strength. So this way you can choose any of your favorite symbol. So this homework you have to do in your fair notebooks very neatly. So dear students, here we will end. Take care of yourself. Thank you.